Welcome dear traders and investors on our YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing great. So today I am here with my Nifty's overview for Monday, that is for 6th July 2020. Before that, let's have a brief wrap up of Nifty's yesterday movement. Yesterday Nifty started the day with a gap up opening. You can see that on chart also, and after that it sustained for the entire day and traded in a range. It made a high of 10,631.30 on the upside and made a low of 10,562.65. It closed at 10,607.35 with the overall gain of 0.66% on daily basis. The major contributor for Nifty's movement are Eicher Motors, Adani Ports, Bharti Airtel and Hero Moto, whereas the top loser for the day remain JSW Steel, Tata Steel, IndusInd Bank and ZEAL. If we look for the major contributors for Nifty's positive movement, so Nifty IT and Nifty Realty, these two sectors stock contributed a lot, whereas Nifty PSU Bank and Nifty Private Bank witnessed a sell off from these levels. Now if we look for Bank Nifty's overview, so the story is different. Bank Nifty also started the day with a slight positive note, but after that it witnessed bearish movement for the entire day. It tested the level of 21,768 on the downside and closed at 21,852.40 with the overall loss of 0.46% on daily basis. On technical front, if we look for Nifty's chart, so we will find that although Nifty is sustaining above its 200 days exponential moving average, you can see that in this chart also, but it's facing a steep resistance from this trend line and still sustaining below that. So for Monday we can expect a sideways to negative movement in Nifty, where we can expect a trading range of 10,700 to 10,400, but if Nifty breaks the level of 10,700 and sustains above the same, then we can expect a short term buying in Nifty. If we look for Nifty on weekly chart, so we will find that Nifty is taking a good support from last 2 weeks from its 200 days exponential moving average and currently trading below its 100 days and 50 days EMA. So it's further indicating that this 100 days and 50 days EMA will provide a good resistance to Nifty upper level, and we can witness a slight sell off from these levels in Nifty for Monday. Now if we go for Bank Nifty chart, so we will find that Bank Nifty is continuous sustaining below its 100 days exponential moving average on also taking its resistance again and again. If we look for its last 2 days movement, so we will find that it's creating a very good bearish pattern, and that's why for Monday we can expect a downside movement in Bank Nifty till the level of 20,500. Any breakout below that may lead to Bank Nifty till the level of 21,000. On FII and DII front, we saw continuous buying from DII during the week, but we also observed a continuous selling from FII during the week. On microeconomic front, there is no major data expected for Monday, but still the geopolitical issue between India and China will limit the upside gain in Nifty. A recent update about COVID-19 vaccines human trial may provide boost to the Nifty on the lower levels. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for daily update. Thanks and have a great trading week ahead.